Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. I am Mara binti Abu Bakar from Institute of Microengineering and Electronic Iman, Universiti Kebangsaan Malaysia, and today I would like to share my work on effect of potting encapsulation on crack formation and propagation in electronic package. So, what is electronic packaging? Electronic packaging refers to enclosure or housing for integrated circuit, passive device, and circuit card. So this is electronic packaging hierarchy from level 0, level 1 and up to level 4, which is a system. So I will show you some example on each level. So this is a level 0, which contains from the bare silica wafer and processed into a silica wafer die. Next is level 1 is such as IC, QFN, wire bonding, flip chip, and potting and encapsulation. For level 2 is IC on printed circuit board. So level 3 is the assemblies of the component. This is an example for level 4, which is a system of an electronic packaging, for example, a computer. This is an example for electronic packaging materials such as substrate, PCB, encapsulation, die attach, and interconnection such as solder joint and wire. And electronic packaging must provide heat dissipation and then protection from the environmental factors, electrical connection for the functionality, and then the structural integrity for mechanical support. So this is a very important thing that I want to highlight. Why electronic devices need to be encapsulated? Of course, to protect the electronic device and prolong their life. Moisture, mobile ion radiation, and hostile environment condition can degrade the performance and reduce lifetime of the electronic devices. So that the electronic devices need to be encapsulated. So, potting encapsulation is a process of filling a complete electronic assembly with a suitable epoxy material. This is the epoxy material and will fill in the electronic assembly component. Of course, is to protect the electronic component to ensure the long term. And then this potting encapsulation is widely used for electronic component for a harsh environment such as in aerospace and automotive. In this work, the SMD surface mount device transformer will encapsulate using the potting encapsulation, and then the SMD after the encapsulation will connect it into a PCB. We are using lead-free solder joint, and then the sample will reflow, undergo reflow soldering process. After the reflow soldering process, the sample will taken for the metallographic technique for cross-section sample preparation, and then observation under FISM and optical microscope. So it is observed that some crack lines is visible on the top view of the assembly transformers. Okay, for your information, the void formation is a common issue in IC encapsulation. This kind of voids can lead into the package cracking. This kind of defect can cause rejection of the product. So here I summarize some of the potential sources that leads to the package voids and crack formation and propagation during the potting encapsulation process. So such as the moisture absorption, inadequate baking process, exposure to the vapor, and then the curing quality of the potting encapsulant, and then high temperature during the refill soldering also induce the physical and mechanical instability due to the vapor pressure, thermal mismatch, and surface interface incompatible, hygroscopic swelling, which lead into the delamination and de-adhesion at the interface of the potting encapsulant. So, as a conclusion, the crack occurrence were observed at the corner of the assembly transformers and the void appear in the surrounding area of the crack. The potting material factor may induce the void formation and then the void collapse and make the popcorning possible. And this phenomenon lead into the crack formation and propagation toward the plastic housing from the potting encapsulation. I would like to thank all the co-researchers in this work from IMEN UKM and Western Digital Malaysia for the financial support and research facilities. Okay, everyone, thank you. And you may contact me through my official email address. So if you have anything to ask, thank you.